We are going to cover 10 business ideas that you can start online today. But first, if you haven't already, click the subscribe button. 1. Creating an e-commerce store. You can create an online store selling physical products such as clothing, beauty products, home goods, or any other items. The key is to do your research to find out what products are in high demand. 2. You can become an online course creator. If you have expertise in any particular subject or skill, you can create an online course and sell it to a targeted audience that is interested in learning about that particular skill. 3. Freelance writing. To all of you amazing writers out there, you can offer your writing services to businesses and individuals who need website content or blog posts or any other type of content. 4. Social media manager. As social media platforms continue to grow and businesses need to post more content, you can manage their social media presence, create their content, and engage with their customers for them. 5. Virtual assistants. You can offer assistance virtually to almost anyone in the world. Offer your administrative, your customer service, or any other type of support services to businesses and individuals who may need help managing their daily tasks, whether it's personal or business. 6. Online coaching. There are many types of coaches, from fitness to personal or professional. You can offer your coaching services to people who want to improve their personal or their professional lives, and this can be done virtually. 7. Affiliate marketing. If you do not have your own products or services, or if you do, you can still promote other people's products and earn a commission for every sale that's made through your unique affiliate link. 8. Dropshipping. You can start an e-commerce store online without holding any inventory by simply partnering with a drop shipping supplier who will fulfill the orders on your behalf. 9. Digital marketing agency. Now, this one's pretty cool because we live in a world that is virtual. You can provide a range of digital marketing services like SEO, social media, email marketing to businesses that want to improve their online presence. And if you want, you could also manage it for them. 10. Podcasting. If you don't mind talking and you don't mind an audience, you can start a podcast on a particular topic or a niche and earn money through sponsorships, advertising, or affiliate marketing.